Do your dance. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Can
You get your hat?
Mommy wear it? Can Mommy wear it? Only Daddy? Okay.
All right, you want me to put it on? Yeah. Okay, here we go.
That's very handsome.
You like that?
Oh, there you go. Do you want to wear it?
No.
Can Mommy wear it? Please? No.
Oh, well, you better wear it then.
You should put it on your head.
Mm-hmm.
Can you put your hat on your head? Oh. How are you? Who got us this toy? Can you do a dance? Here, I'll play music. Good dance. Yeah.
If you're gonna dance, you need a hat that fits a little better, don't you?